10 things about elephants. Largest land animal. 2 main species. Highly intelligent. Long gestation period. Social creatures. Trunks are multifunctional. Tusks are modified teeth. Vital ecosystem engineers. Communication includes infrasound. Endangered species. 1. Largest land animal. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and their immense size is one of their most defining traits. African bush elephants, the biggest of the species, can reach heights of up to 13 feet at the shoulder and weigh between 10,000 to 14,000 pounds. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, but still incredibly massive compared to most other land animals. Their size not only deters predators but also allows them to travel long distances, tear down trees, and dig waterholes that benefit other wildlife. Despite their size, elephants are graceful and careful with their movements, often navigating challenging terrain with ease. Their size plays a crucial role in shaping their environment, making them keystone species in their ecosystems. They need a large amount of food, up to 300 pounds a day, and water, which influences their migratory patterns and interactions with other wildlife. 2. Two main species. Elephants are divided into 2 main species, African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants are further classified into savanna elephants and forest elephants, with the savanna type being the larger. African elephants are generally larger, have bigger ears shaped like the African continent, and both males and females usually have tusks. Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears, smoother skin, and only some males grow tusks. They also tend to have more domesticated relationships with humans, especially in countries like India, Thailand, and Sri Lanka. The differences between species go beyond appearance. They also have different behaviors, diets, habitats, and social structures. For example, African elephants tend to live in larger herds, while Asian elephants often form smaller groups. Each species is uniquely adapted to its environment, and both are incredibly important culturally and ecologically in the regions they inhabit. 3. Excellent hunters. Elephants are known for their incredible intelligence, rivaling that of dolphins, chimpanzees, and even humans in some respects. They possess large brains, with a neocortex that allows for complex emotions and thought processes. Elephants have been observed using tools, showing empathy for other animals, mourning their dead, and even recognizing themselves in mirrors, a trait of self-awareness found in only a few species. In the wild, they demonstrate problem-solving skills, such as working together to rescue a calf or escape from a fenced area. Their memory is also legendary. They can remember distant water sources, past migration routes, and even individuals they have encountered, whether friendly or hostile. Researchers have documented elephants revisiting the bones of deceased companions and gently touching them with their trunks in apparent mourning. These behaviors suggest a depth of feeling and cognition that continues to fascinate scientists and animal lovers alike. 4. Long gestation period. One of the most fascinating aspects of elephant biology is their extremely long gestation period, about 22 months, the longest of any land mammal. This prolonged pregnancy allows the elephant fetus to develop fully within the mother's womb, emerging as a calf that weighs roughly 200 to 300 pounds at birth. Because of the long gestation and the intense care that young elephants require, females typically give birth only once every 4 to 5 years. This low reproductive rate is a concern for conservation, as it means elephant populations take a long time to recover from declines. The extended pregnancy also contributes to the calf's advanced development at birth, allowing it to stand, walk, and begin nursing within hours. Maternal bonds in elephants are strong, and calves are cared for not just by their mothers but also by other females in the herd, a behavior known as allomothering. 5. Social creatures. Elephants are profoundly social animals, living in tightly knit family groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female. These herds consist of mothers, daughters, aunts, and cousins, while adult males tend to live more solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. The matriarch plays a vital role in leading the herd to food, water, and safety based on her years of experience. Communication within the herd includes vocalizations, body language, and even seismic signals transmitted through the ground. Elephants are known to greet each other by entwining trunks and express emotions like joy, grief, and anger. Calves are nurtured and protected by the entire group, creating a strong sense of community. In times of distress, elephants rally around each other, showing empathy and cooperation. These deep social bonds highlight their intelligence and emotional complexity, making them one of the most socially advanced species on Earth. 6. Trunks are multifunctional. An elephant's trunk is one of nature's most remarkable adaptations. It is a long, muscular fusion of the nose and upper lip, containing more than 40,000 muscles and no bones. This extraordinary organ serves many functions. It is used for breathing, smelling, trumpeting, drinking, grabbing, and even expressing emotions. Elephants use their trunks to pick up objects as small as a coin or as heavy as a tree log. They can suck up water, up to 2 gallons at a time, and spray it into their mouths or onto their bodies to cool off. The trunk also serves as a social tool. Elephants touch, stroke, and explore each other with their trunks to bond and communicate. Sensitive and strong, it can even detect underground vibrations. Losing a trunk can be life-threatening for an elephant, as it plays such a crucial role in feeding, interacting, and navigating the world around them. 7. Tusks are modified teeth. Elephant tusks are actually elongated upper incisor teeth, made of ivory and continuously growing throughout the elephant's life. Tusks serve many purposes. They are used for digging, lifting objects, stripping bark from trees, fighting, and defending against predators. In African elephants, both males and females typically have tusks, while in Asian elephants, only some males do. Because tusks are so valuable, elephants have long been targeted by poachers for the illegal ivory trade, leading to devastating population declines. Some elephants are now being born tuskless due to natural selection in heavily poached populations. Tusks also reveal much about an elephant's life. Each one is unique and shows wear patterns and growth rings. Conservationists work hard to protect elephants from ivory trafficking and often mark or monitor tusks for research. These incredible tools are not only functional but also symbolic, representing both the beauty and the vulnerability of these majestic creatures. 8. Vital ecosystem engineers. Elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit, earning them the title of ecosystem engineers. Their massive size and constant foraging habits help shape landscapes in profound ways. As they feed, they knock over trees and trample vegetation, which creates open areas in forests and savannas that allow grasses and smaller plants to grow, benefiting grazers and other wildlife. By digging waterholes in dry riverbeds, elephants provide water sources for many animals during droughts. Their dung acts as a natural fertilizer and seed disperser, helping maintain healthy plant growth and biodiversity. In forests, elephants create trails and clearings that smaller animals use. Without elephants, entire ecosystems can shift and lose species diversity. Protecting elephants, therefore, helps preserve the balance of their habitats, ensuring the survival of countless other species that depend on their presence and activities in the wild. 9. Communication includes infrasound. Elephants communicate using a complex system that includes vocalizations, body language, touch, scent, and even infrasound, low-frequency sounds below the range of human hearing. These powerful rumbles can travel for several miles and are used to convey a variety of messages, including mating calls, warnings of danger, and signals to coordinate movement across long distances. Infrasound communication is especially vital in areas where elephant herds are spread out over vast territories. Scientists have observed elephants responding to distant rumbles by changing direction or speeding up to meet other groups. Aside from infrasound, elephants also use trumpets, roars, growls, and snorts for more immediate communication. Body posture, such as ear flapping or trunk raising, adds layers of meaning. Even seismic communication, vibrations felt through the ground, may be detected by sensitive nerves in their feet. This multi-layered communication system reflects their intelligence and the deep social coordination that governs their lives. 10. They avoid conflict with lions. Despite their strength and resilience, elephants are highly vulnerable and many populations are endangered due to human activity. The greatest threats facing elephants today are poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. Poaching for ivory has decimated elephant populations, particularly in parts of Africa. Habitat destruction from agriculture, mining, and urban development reduces the land available for elephants to roam and feed, increasing the chances of conflict with humans. Elephants may damage crops or property, leading to retaliation from local communities. Conservation efforts are underway around the world to protect elephant habitats, reduce poaching through anti-trafficking measures, and promote coexistence between elephants and humans. Organizations use satellite tracking, law enforcement, education, and ecotourism to support these efforts. International bans on ivory trade have helped, but illegal markets still exist. Saving elephants is not just about preserving one species, it's about maintaining biodiversity and protecting the health of entire ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell.